Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to talk about on how we can fix the F1 error code if you have it for Sunbeam mattress. So the first thing is that you want to check if the connector is connected to the blanket fully. So check it out if all the connections are just really good and well done. Now the second thing that you can try to do, maybe this is going to fix the issue. So first, take it out of the outlet, wait for 15 minutes, and what you want to do is you want to press and hold the power button, and when you're going to press and hold the power button, like those 50 minutes are going to pass, then you're going to press and hold the power button, and then you're going to plug it back to the outlet. And then you have to just still hold the power button, and after some time it should reboot. This is something that I also read, and maybe it's going to help you. Look at this. So I held down the power button as I plug it into the wall outlet, held it until I forced it to reboot, and it started working instantly. Hope it works or looks up this question, because I couldn't use my blanket for almost a month trying to figure it out. So maybe this is going to fix the issue for you also, and I hope it does. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye.